Hey guys, this is Jade. Today we're going to learn how to create stunning glow effect in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means hit the like button. Soon after reaching 500 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the project file, open the model image inside Photoshop. Of course, you can use your image. Next, create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. There you go. Next, we are going to create lighting effect. For that, go to filter, select render, there select lighting effect. There in the preset, I'm going to select flashlight. This one. Using this preset, you can create flashlight kind of lighting effect wherever you want. All you got to do is place the dial where you want. I'm going to place it on the top here. Now play with the dial. For this image, I'm going to add butterflies on the top. So I'm going to add a little kind of flashlight on the top here. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Once you're done, all you got to do is click OK. There you go. Now our image is ready. This one is before and after. Fine. Next, it's time to drop in our butterfly stock image. Now go to the project file. Open the image to butterfly stock image inside Photoshop. This one is neatly cropped .png file. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to place it on left side top here. Now enable free transform tool Ctrl T and resize it. I'm going to give a slight rotation. Fine. I'll settle with this one. Once you're done, next I'm going to create a duplicate copy of this image using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. There you go. Now right click and convert it to smart object like so. Fine. Next, change the layer blending mode to screen. The reason I'm changing the blending mode is we are going to use this layer to create glow effect. Now go to filter. There select blur, Gaussian blur. Here I'm going to keep the radius as around 80 to create the glow effect I want. Of course, feel free to experiment with the numbers. Now click OK. There you go. We created the glow effect. The reason I've converted the layer to smart object is so that you can adjust the Gaussian blur later in case you want to change the radius number. Fine, that's why I converted the layer into a smart object. Fine. Now I'm going to add another glow effect. For that, create a layer. Now change the layer blending mode to color dodge. Now go to color picker. Now sample and select the green color. I'm going to select the darker version of the color, which is dark green. Now pick the brush tool, this one. Now I'm going to pick the soft round brush, this one. Make sure flow is 100. Now reduce the size and give a single click to create a glow effect. There you go. I give another click on center here. Fine. Now this one is before and after. And next step, we are going to add reflection light effect on model image, which is on left side top here. For that, create a layer. I'll change the blending mode to overlay. Now go to color picker. Pick green color. The butterfly is green, that's why I'm going with green color. Now click OK. Now pick the brush tool. There I'm going to select the very same soft round brush we used previously. Now increase the size and I'm going to give a single click on left side top here. There you go. Now the butterfly and the glow effect looks little more realistic. Now select all the layers by holding Ctrl key in your keyboard and place it inside a folder like so. I'm going to name it as 1. Now we are done with the first image. Now go to the project file, open image 3 second butterfly stock image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Yes, we are going to repeat the very same step what we done for the first butterfly stock image. Enable free transcendental control T and resize it. I'm going to place it on right side top here. Give a little bit rotation if you want. Next, create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. There you go. Now change the blending mode to screen, right click, convert to smart object. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I'm going to keep the radius as around 80. I'm going with 89. Now click OK. There you go. We created our glow effect. We're going to add another glow effect. Create a layer. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Now go to color picker. Select dark pink color. This one. Now pick the brush tool. With soft round brush selected, give a single click on left side and right side to create a glow effect. There you go. Next, we're going to create reflection light, create a layer, change the blending mode to overlay. Now go to color picker, select pink color. The butterfly is pink, that's why I'm going with pink color. Now increase the size. I'm going to give another click. There you go. We created the reflection light. Now holding Ctrl key in your keyboard, select all the layers we created so far. Place it inside a folder, name it as 2. Now our second butterfly stock image is ready. Using the same step, you can add any number of butterflies you want. In the project file, I have given total 4 different colored butterfly stock images. I'll fast forward the process. You can add any number of butterfly stock images you want, as I said before. Once you're done, as a final step, we're going to add dot sparkle stock images. For that, go to the project file, open the image 6 stock image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right below all the groups we created so far. Like so. Fine. Make sure the image is right below the butterfly stock image. Now change the image blending mode to screen. As you noticed, all the dark part will turn invisible. Still you may see some border. For that, select the eraser tool. I'm going to select soft round brush and you can erase the parts you don't want. Fine, this step is optional. Once you're done, next we're going to resize it by enabling free transcendental control T and I'll give a little bit of rotation. Next, if you notice the butterfly is green color but the dot sparkles are pink color, we're going to take care of that. For that, create a hue saturation layer right above the image. Now right click and clip mask the hue saturation layer. Fine. Now play with the slider to change the color of the dot sparkles. There you go. I'm going to change it to green color. I'll settle this one. Once you're done, now hold Ctrl key in your keyboard and select the 2 layers we created so far, image layer and the hue saturation layer, and place it inside a new group. I'll name it as dot 1. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy of this group because we're going to place this same stock image to other butterfly stock images. Create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J and move it to other butterfly images. I'm going to place it here. Enable free transcendental control T and give a little bit of rotation. Now pick the eraser tool and erase the parts you don't want. As I said before, this step is optional. Fine, now I'm going to play with the hue saturation bar to change the color. I'm going to repeat the very same step for rest of the butterfly stock images. I'll fast forward the process. Once you're done, now our glow effect is ready. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.